right, so for this exercise, it is going to be the closed grip dumbbell chest press. Now this is different from the flat bench press with the dumbbells because instead of holding them out like this and really getting that length across the pectoral muscles, you're gonna bring them in close like this, hug them tight, keep your elbows in, and you're gonna wanna really focus on squeezing your hands together, and at the top of that contraction, you're gonna wanna kind of fold your wrists out a little bit. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna form this indentation. You're gonna really get that form in that pectoral that you really wanna see. That's gonna work the entire muscle. You'll work those upper pectorals as well. It's a great exercise to throw in your routine. So let's try it out. You're gonna wanna keep your dumbbells together, and when you reach the peak extension, squeeze those dumbbells and almost push your thumbs to the ceiling. That's gonna help that extra contraction of your pectoral muscles. Now, closed grip chest press with dumbbells also help your triceps. So make sure you're doing full range of motion, and also try not to lose the tension on your pectorals the entire way. There should never be a point where your pectorals don't have tension.